लाल लाल गाल जैसे टमाटर, नीति का गुस्सा चढ़ गया छत पर, कैसे मनाओ. Okay, I better not stop singing because I sing really bad. So yeah, okay, this episode is not about singing, but by the way, welcome to Taylor Made Stories. It's a brand new episode, and like any other girl who doesn't know how to do makeup, I still don't know how to do makeup, but I'm gonna try my hands on it today, and कुछ करने वाले. So please bear with me, no, please bear with me. And also I want to tell you guys this thing कि you know, a lot of people ask me, I have red cheeks. Okay, so either I get it when it's very cold, so generally I get it in Delhi, or generally I get it when I'm very like nervous, anxious, and it's very hot. So ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि मैं बड़ी nervous हूँ इस tutorial को लेके, because I am really bad at it, but I want to try my hand and I hope to help at least somebody out there. I have got these because I want to tell everybody that these are gifted by my fans and I still have it with me, and I hardly use makeup because I don't know how to do makeup. ये है मेरा makeup box. Which has a flamingo on it. So आज मैं थोड़ा बहुत जो मुझे आता है मैं सिखाऊंगी, अदरवाइज मेरे लिए सिर्फ मेरे मेकअप दादा और हेयर दीदी ही सब कुछ करते हैं. As usual, I have a lot of lipsticks, but I don't know why, because I always, you know, go for nudes. Okay, so before you start your makeup, always remember to apply lip balm. So I'm just going to share with you a day look that I've recently started doing, and it is really nice. So let's start with base. पहली चीज तो people put concealer, people put this and that. फलाना ढिमका, I swear I don't know. मुझे बस पता है कि मेरे शूटिंग में ये दोनों कलर्स मिक्स होते हैं और मेरे फेस पे डालते हैं. Okay, but like always I have sunscreen put on my face. But with this nowadays I started using this no branding, but this sunscreen. I call it sunscreen, which has a little which has a little base in it. So okay, so I'm gonna tell you how I do my base. I'm just gonna tell you how I do everything. ठीक है? तो हमने ये खोला और मेरा ये पुच which is so cute, and I cleaned it and I washed it, so that's why it's a little wet, so it should always be little damp. ठीक है, तो हमने ये डाला अपने हाथों पे थोड़ा सा ये लिक्विड. अभी ये लिक्विड को I just touch it like this and rub it with my base like this. Okay, so this is from Krylon, and a lot of shooting people use this because it's really good and it lasts for very long and it suits my skin. Derma doesn't suit my skin. So okay, I'm gonna do my under eye. Okay, so now you can see my redness is going, but it'll come back again. Okay, I'm quite nervous about this episode. Okay, so guys, please excuse me if I'm not good. So here you can see. And yes, I have pimples because it's the time of the month, to be really honest. So yeah, you always get pimples, and don't worry even if you get pimples. It's a normal process in life. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little base all around. थोड़ा. I don't believe in too much makeup, तो इसलिए मैं बहुत हल्का लगाती हूँ. ठीक है, ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते हम. और पता नहीं मैंने नाक पे नहीं लगाती है. I have this some weird kind of things. So now you can see कि मेरा redness थोड़ा कम हो गया है. Okay. So now my cream is like over. So all I'm doing is just a little bit. My under eye. ये recently शुरू किया, otherwise इतना मैं नहीं करती थी. And always get whenever you buy, ये मेरे को सिखाया हुआ मेकअप दादा ने, जब भी आप अपना बेस खरीदते हो, बेस के अलग अलग नाम होता है, I don't know, but always buy one tone lighter to your skin, because if you buy a bright one, then you will look very scary. Okay, so ये हमने डाला बेस. Okay, now बेस के बाद हम डालेंगे पाउडर. So loose powder is really good. So always have like different. So loose powder. ये है मेरा Krylon loose powder. It's yellow powder. So I take a little. So powder brush always should be different from your blush on brush. इतना कुछ पता है मुझे. So here you put it. Now this is so that your base actually settles down. ठीक है, ताकि आपका वो break ना हो, ना patches आए, ना कुछ आए. So you do that, and then you do this. These are my eyeshadow palettes, just by the way. So you know who it is by. I'm not gonna say the name. Kylie Jenner. Okay, so let's begin with these ones. These are my new found love that I have actually found online. Okay, so I'll tell you this, okay? So I'm using these two combinations. So this is caramel focus and this is beige focus, okay? So these are apparently contouring वाले sticks. ठीक है, अब देखना मैं contouring sticks के साथ क्या करती हूँ, because I swear I have no idea how to contour. Like I see all videos and all, but अब जो भगवान ने दिया है तो दिया है. I don't want to change, and I have cheeks and I'm a little plumpy. I can't help it. So I just put this like this. Okay. Now as you can see, this one and this one, there is a different, there's a difference between both the eyes. Suddenly this is a little brighter and lighter, like makes a little difference with this eye. Okay, so पहले एक आई करती हूँ फिर दूसरा दिखाती हूँ ताकि डिफरेंस पता चले. ठीक है, so you can always smudge it with your fingers if you want, or with a brush, however you want. These are the things that happens to me while I do makeup. Okay, so please don't judge. Okay, so ये हो गया मैंने आई से, because till the time I don't use my fingers while doing makeup ना complete नहीं होता. So now this is the caramel focus. Okay, so now I just take this over my eyes. It just gives a light. There you go. Now just see the difference. Isn't it like so cool? It just makes your hair, like eyes, a little bigger. Okay, okay. Now I'll show you just the beige focus on this eye. Now you can see that this has a little brownish tint which goes, a little, it just highlights our eyes basically, yeah. And this is just like little, but it looks really nice, right? And कुछ ज़्यादा करने का नहीं है, तो ये बेस्ट है. फिर ये ले लो कैरमल और ये कर लो अपने आईज को आउटलाइन, और ये हो गया आपका डे लुक. And I think it's damn cool. Okay, so this is my favorite part about the makeup. Okay, so generally all I do is just put mascara and my lipstick, and that's how I do, and I get out of the house. So yeah, this is my best part. Bhagwan ne ek cheez se bless kiya, that is eyelashes. I have nice eyelashes. So okay, I'm gonna put mascara. Okay. Now as you can see, you can make it as heavy as you want to. Okay, now the other side. Doesn't this look like awesome? So now can you see that your eyes have actually, they're looking really nice. They're looking very natural, not too much, very subtle and very pretty. ठीक है? And ये mascara आपको नीचे भी लगाना चाहिए, but नीचे I will put later on. ठीक है. Now also one more thing guys, I don't do my eyebrows. I actually don't do, and touch wood, my sister and I, we are blessed with good eyebrows, but I've got my dad's eyebrows and they're very happy. So always ना मेरे eyebrows कभी भी देखोगे कोई serial वीडियो करती हूँ ना ऐसे ऐसे हो जाते हैं. So I always have to do like this. Okay, relax. So yeah, as you can see, I have a little like छोटू सा patch here and here of my eyebrows. So there's this eyebrow kit. I don't do too much, that's what I said. Thoda. See, I don't know how to do it. I just mix everything and I just put it here because thoda cover karna hai. That's about it. Yeah, you should not do too much also. Okay, so now I'm just going to make this a little more party look. Okay, so all I'm going to do is, okay, so I'm going to choose between the bare metal and the golden hour. So now I have the golden hour in my hand, and I will make my golden hour very golden by applying this golden. See, can you see this? That looks so cool. Okay, so you put it in the entire eye. I'm telling you, this is like really easy. People who don't know makeup, I think they should get this. It's really cool. ये देखो, हो गया, है ना, मस्त. So can you see the difference between this eye and this eye? So this is very daily, this is very like... So I'm gonna do the golden bit here also. I have shaped this so well and I haven't shaped this really well, so now I'm gonna shape this really nicely. Yeah. So these are the eyeshadows, pencil eyeshadows, and they're really cool and they are matte and they're very creamy matte and it's really nice. So I want it all. This is by Kylie Jenner. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this. Okay, I'm doing this for the first time. I shapat. Okay, I've never done this, but let's do this. Okay, so मैं black लेने वाली because I always believe in 2 shades. This is me. I believe in 2 shades. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the black. As you can see, I had these for years and you can see that they're hardly used. Only few of them are used. So आप देख लीजिए. I'm so bad. Okay, I'm going to dab it here. Okay, so ये हमने किया. Okay, finally got my eyes on point. Okay, so now again I've got this new thing and it's really nice. It's from Nykaa. Okay, so blush on brush. I'm gonna like do that and then as I said, I don't do contouring at all. I don't know how to do. और आज के दिन मैं नहीं सिखाने वाली, मुझे पहले सीखना पड़ेगा. और cheeks है तो है यार, God is gifted. I know you should get it into shape and all, but cheeks is one thing that they don't just go inside. But anyway, I don't do, but you can always do contouring. I think I'll just do it today. Okay, so basically ऐसा कुछ करते हैं लोग और ऐसा कुछ करते हैं, ठीक है? इतना पता है. ये okay. Oh yeah. Okay, ठीक है. But I'll be very honest, I got it for this only. But when I got it, I just put it as an eyeshadow because I saw the tutorial and I was like, bro, this is so cool. Yeah, okay. So I don't think मेरे face पे कोई असर पड़ा because you need a lot of it. I can't do it, but yeah. And here you go. This is just like a normal look that I have. And guys, if you want to make it a little more dressy, you can put your liner or something like that. But otherwise, am I ready? I think you've done my eyes really well. अभी beauty shots लेंगे हम, है ना? Okay, so I'm ready. And bye guys.
Wait, before we leave, let's ask you some questions. So, do you remember your first makeup item?
First makeup item? Okay, I think a lipstick or a lip balm.
Okay. Okay, so describe your perfect mascara.
This is my perfect mascara. Heavy and really cool.
And is there any makeup you can leave the house without?
Yeah, I can't leave the house without.
Is there any... Okay, I'll rephrase it.
Okay.
Is there any makeup that you can't leave the house without?
Yes, I can't leave the house without my lip gloss. I think it just adds a lot of personality and I think that's it. For me, not too much makeup.
And are you clumsy putting makeup?
You could see that, right? I'm very clumsy. I'm like the most clumsiest person.
I just thought maybe you will say that more confidently with me.
बड़ी clumsy हूँ मैं. बड़ी clumsy हूँ मैं.
So do you consider, you think you should be taking some makeup classes or tutorials or something?
I surely should be taking some tutorial classes because as you could see, but then I always believe that this is me and this is how I am and this is what I want to show my audience, so that's what I believe in. And with these questions, are the questions over though?
Yeah, unless you want to say something to your fans.
Yes, I do want to say something that I'm not as perfect as other people do this, and this episode is not like the perfect ideal tutorial, makeup tutorial. So I really hope the way I presented myself that you liked it, and thoda bahut cuteness dikhai diya aap logo ko. So please keep showering all your love, and all you gotta do is like, share, comment, and guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe kar lo yaar, please. So thank you so much, and I'll be back with the next tailor-made stories.